Hey, what's up guys? Back out here at Fernbark Forest, working on the shelter. I got John with me today. You might remember John from the first video where he helped me put up the supports.
Back out here again, helping Ryan take down this tree right here.
Yep, we gotta take
got
this
my pole saw.
Gotta take this big guy down. And I'm not talking about John.
Fiskars, we love Fiskars here.
So hopefully we can get this down without crushing the shelter. It's hung up pretty good way up there.
Good thing about this pole saw, it cuts pine like butter.
I got a pound of bacon. We got a fire going. I'm gonna let these get down to coals. I brought a grill rack that I've had from at home for a while. We're gonna lay that on there and put some bacon on there, and hopefully the bacon don't catch on fire. Yeah, the shelter's coming along, man. Coming along. It has taken a long time to cut this amount of poles, and I'm nowhere near finished. Going and getting the poles, delimbing it, it takes a while. And after I get all the way to the end, then I got to cut shorter poles to fill in the gaps. Then the outside will be finished.
You sure you don't want to pan fry them?
I didn't bring my pan.
You got that little one over there, don't you?
Oh yeah. That thing's got to be cleaned out though. Yeah, we could do that.
It's just carbon.
Cause this is gonna fall through this grill.
Yeah, it's just gonna start there. As soon as that fat gets rendered down,
It's gonna be hard to flip. Here we go. I bet this shit's gonna stick. Bacon in a rusty pan.
oh yeah. Might have to get some of your filtered water.
John drinks Red Bull like there's no tomorrow. At work, be 90-some degrees in that building, hot. He just drinks energy drinks all day. Well, he has been carrying a jug of water, right?
Absolutely. I probably put down 4 or 5 16-ounce Red Bulls.
I'd be on the floor tweaking, going to the hospital. I'll have my coffee in the morning. A lot of times it's just instant. And it's weak. Sometimes I'll have an energy drink after lunch. But any more caffeine like that, you know, after that, my body just can't handle it. If I drink as many Red Bulls as he does, I'd be dead. John just cut his biscuit with this Leatherman super tool. That's a nice one.
Works for me.
So you've had a Leatherman for a long time?
Oh yeah, since way before they become popular.
John found an old Leatherman that he had and gave it to me, and it was all rusty. I think he left it on his tractor. And I polished it out.
Good as new.
Leatherman Blast. This thing's got some age to it though. But now it's all lubed up.
They'll last a lifetime. You take care of them.
So the idea is to put this rope back and forth between these two trees. So as the tree comes down, it's going to rest on the rope and not the shelter, hopefully. At least that's the plan anyway. I always knew there was going to be a use for this rope that I've had at Camp Coyote for a long time. That's right. Damn. What? Tendonitis, man.
I'm gonna do it.
Sucks getting old. This elbow is jacked up. Right on the tip of the elbow. Firewood. Firewood. See, this is a special circumstance. Special situation where this tree should have been taken down before I started this. Danger, falling objects. Doing what I want to do. Coming. Come on, baby. Oh, that limb broke on this yeah, gum tree. That's good.
Well, we're almost there. If we can get another of this heavy section down.
Please just don't puncture my tarp. Turn it, just rotate it so that, yeah, we got it. Yeah. All right. Woo. She down, she down, she down, she down. Too bad we don't have a celebratory can of Busch Light. Busch Light. Or Red Bull. Yeah. That pole saw is awesome.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, man. Little cowboy coffee to wash down that bacon. Grinds and all. That rope idea was excelente, brother. John says it's show and tell time here on the Burnwood Bushcraft channel. John is a digger.
Yeah, while Ryan is passionate about bushcraft, I'm a rockhound, which is kind of like fishing, because you got to know your strategy, you got to know what you're after, you got to know your location. This is stuff from North Carolina, not too far from here. This comes from the Real Mine, close to Hickory, which is closed now, but has some awesome material come out. This is a little Smokey Amethyst. Check out them faces.
That is craziness.
Both these come from Hiddenite.
The town?
Yeah, which is only about half-hour drive from here.
Yeah, we were looking at houses there, and I was like, I bet you money they don't have cable service out there, so that means
that's a nice piece right here.
No high-speed internet.
That's what we're after.
How much money you got holding right there?
Oh, whatever someone's willing to pay for it. Collectors love this stuff, and it's hard for me to part with even. That's just some stuff I could fit in my bag. I got a lot bigger stuff that I dig up.
Yeah,
but
that's cool, man. You find all kinds of stuff. Not
you
just
never
that.
know what you're going to dig up, and that's the beauty of it. It's kind of like throwing your line in the water. You never know which fish is going to bite.
Right. Excellente job, John.
All right, man.
I really appreciate it. We got it down with
Got her done.
Got her down with no problems. Well, guys, that's going to do it for this one. Got that tree down that should have been taken care of from the get-go. Flawless victory. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on the next one.